Lunchy break. We are coming to you live from the inside of Clevver's office. Lily is at Coachella currently living her best life. Joslyn and I decided we would take over Lunchy break and give you guys a behind the scenes tour of Clevver. I know we've already done this before, but I feel like we haven't done it in a really long time. So welcome to Lunchy break.
Lunchy break!
Oh, hello Ashley. What are you cooking over here?
Just a bagel.
A little bagel?
Yeah, a little bagel with a little bit of schmear.
Ooh, schmear. I love schmears. What kind of schmear?
Just plain, I think.
Wait, is this Dunkin'? Did you go to Dunkin' Donuts?
I did.
You didn't ask anybody else if they wanted anything? Rude. Today, I'm gonna be testing a lot of recipes for our cooking show. It's called What the Flavor. It's airing this Friday. Yeah, this Friday. And I'm gonna be testing all the recipes because I at least wanna be somewhat knowledgeable when I'm teaching you how to cook things. So that's happening today. Okay, I'm waiting to shoot my daily for Clevver News, and I'm sitting next to a trash can, which seems to be on theme if you're following me on Instagram. And while I wait, I am just curious to see what Lily is up to at Coachella. Okay, I'm on set of News Feed. I'm sure a lot of you have already seen. If you haven't subscribed to Clevver News, you should, because we give you all the latest and greatest celebrity updates. This is EJ.
So.
He's really the true hero here. Aw, there he is. He's one of the coolest people at Clevver that you don't actually get to see very often.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
He keeps us all on track. He also has my nickname. I was called EJ my whole life because my middle name was Janet for the longest time, so I have a spiritual connection with him.
Absolutely.
So right now I'm gonna film actually an end card. I thought I was filming a daily for Clevver News, but I'm not. I'm gonna film an end card for our new cooking show called What the Flavor. Here's some BTS of how that looks.
Recording.
Rolling. Gosh, I can't talk. I'm so highly caffeinated. What the Flavor starts this Friday on Clevver Style. If you wanna see Mia Mills get into more trouble in the kitchen, click left to watch. Oh, that was like a run-on sentence. I got it, okay. What the Flavor starts this Friday on Clevver Style. If you want to see me and Lils get into more trouble in the kitchen, you better click left to watch the time we... What the Flavor starts this Friday on Clevver Style. If you want to see me and Lils get into more trouble in the kitchen, click left to watch the time we made Szechuan sauce, or click right to see us prepare some MRE foods. Did I do it?
Nailed it.
Should I do one more for safety?
Let's do one more for safety.
Okay, that means I didn't nail it.
Let's
okay.
nail it again.
The VO's done, my daily is done. Now I'm gonna go see what Joslyn's up to. Oh, Joslyn, I got another camera for Lunchy break.
Oh, great. Awesome. That's actually better because then I can just keep, it's honestly like we're basically running a camera shop at this point. It's truly embarrassing.
Wait, so let's talk about your liquid situation.
Okay, so first off, Danielle Robay gave this to me. It's not urine. I know it's a yellow color. This is water. I try to drink it every day unsuccessfully. Viv brought me this Movita juice, which is from my hometown of Downey.
Oh, I didn't even see that
This
one
was
hiding.
coffee. Thank God Lily's not here. Actually, I'm annoyed by this sound, but I don't want her to know.
I'm also extremely high right now. Not on drugs,
Well,
but
it's
just on
420.
coffee. Oh my god.
Did you know that? It's 4:20 today.
It is 4:20, but I don't really get high, so it's just another day for me.
High on life.
Next up on the docket is DHR. Fridays we shoot two versions of DHR. We shoot the daily DHR, and then we shoot the weekly DHR, which weekly, daily, Hollywood Rundown sounds very weird. And now that I think about it, it is pretty weird. But alas, it airs on Sundays now, so we do double the work on Fridays. DHR, Renee is here. We already shot the daily DHR. Brandon's also here. Say hi to the peeps.
Hello.
Brandon is so cute, right? I mean, I feel like our audience has a huge crush on him.
I'm sure they do. Imagine if he was actually here the whole time. We get all comments like,
Actually, Brandon, you should do a show here.
you should.
You know so much about celebrity news at this point. Like,
Too much.
You hear about it every day.
Too much.
You're an expert.
Yeah.
it's a no for him. Okay, great. So we're gonna shoot the weekly show right now, and I'm just gonna let you get some BTS footage. I'm attached.
Oh no.
I'm like a dog on a chain. Can you put that over there, Brandon? Thank you. Ariana Grande just dropped a brand new song.
One Direction is getting back together.
And Zayn gets fired because of bad behavior?
All that and more on this week's DHR recap. First this week, I brought you the news and then I was speaking about.
Gross.
I cannot believe this.
Hey you guys, welcome to the weekly DHR recap. Okay, Lunchy break. Something's burning. Oh no, I think I'm already burning something. This is beauty break. This is cheat day. This is a green screen wall that we never use. And then this is our kitchen. It's not a real kitchen. We don't have an oven or a sink or a refrigerator. We do have a hot plate, so at least there's that. Ramen noodles. I guess you just put it in hot water. 3 minutes. It's gonna nail it. It's gonna be great. Just gonna flop this in. And now we wait. Ooh, I'm gonna add a wonton to this and an egg. Oil? Is Pam oil? Ow! Cramp! Oil, got it, check. More oil, check. Which oil do I use? The vegetable oil or the canola oil? I don't want to add water to oil, you're not supposed to do that. Can you add water to oil? Is that safe? Found a spoon.
Here's Jaws. Hey guys, so here, I'm gonna walk you through this right now. First off, this is Erin's new cooking show, and if you are like me and you're still learning how to cook and in your 30s, welcome to your dream come true. Also, what are you doing?
I'm making ramen noodles, and I'm gonna fry up some frozen
Is this a part of your
wontons.
show, or are you just like sad and don't want to make lunch?
No, I thought we were ordering lunch. This is Lunchy break.
Oh.
Isn't food included?
I'm holding too many things. Wait, is this an actual dish that you're making on your show?
Yeah, like we can tease it. I just want to test it because I don't want to show the people until I actually am an expert at it. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to fail on the show. I'm trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying.
I'm gonna let you cook.
Yeah, I'm really working up a masterpiece.
You know,
my
let's
ramen
just-
noodles are perfectly cooked right now. Oh, heating up the oil. Yeah, I forgot about that detail. Update time. I failed in the kitchen, was not able to cook my meal because we have this meeting. You guys, we have a lot of meetings around here. That's
Being
what
an adult is so stupid. When you're an adult, all you do is go to a series of meetings where very seldomly anything actually happens.
yeah.
So right now we're gonna take you to our weekly staff meeting, which I know we said talked a little crap about meetings, but this is actually a fun meeting because usually it just turns into like a funny chat of some sort.
It's so fun. You guys are gonna be just so blown away how fun it is.
Come along with us. Everyone say hi to Lunchy Break. We're showing them what it's like in our meeting.
We're making riveting content here today, everyone.
Lunchy Break.
Put your game face on.
Friday 1 p.m. meeting.
So George, does Clevver still exist? What's going on?
All right, so next week, sponsorship.
Uh-huh. Oh, sorry. We talked about mullets, McDonald's, Comic-Con, just all the riveting things. Jocelyn, have you been lunchy breaking?
Only with you. You want me to? Here, I'll take over for a
You
little
should
bit.
do a lunchy
All right. You guys probably know Lil's on her way to Coachella weekend 2. And actually the office is really quiet today because I think a lot of people are taking the day off, but you know who never leaves? Do you know who's here? Do you know who's steadfast? Do you know who is the national freaking treasure? Jervin, right
I'm
there.
about to leave.
You are? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna get
I'm
your
going to Santa Barbara this weekend.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so tell me everything. What are you wearing? Who's your date? Are you taking your husband as your date or someone
My
else?
husband will be going as my date. I have my new jewelry.
Stone.
Heron and Stone. This gorge necklace will go perfectly with my high neckline dress that I got from Rent the Runway.
You did. What brand did you end up going with?
Willow and Slate.
Great. Those are really
It's
cute.
like a nice overlay situation. You know, I think it's a good April dress. You know, April's like right on the cusp.
a strange-
Because we're not full on spring yet. I mean, we're supposed to be, but.
Well, I have to leave now.
Okay.
But I wanted to let you know my progress.
Okay, what'd you do?
I boiled some ramen noodles.
That's
today.
exciting.
And I did a good job. So just wanted to give you the update. And you know, we'll do that cooking show next week.
Big things.
Yeah,
Tell me what
you
the
guys,
cooking
I
show
don't know if
is.
Erin
Big
gave you the
things.
actual details, but the cooking show airs starting next week. It's called What the
this
Flavor.
week, Friday.
Oh my gosh, because I'm in the past and you're in the future. The cooking show airs this week on Friday. It's called What the Flavor. There's gonna be some people you recognize, like Lily, for example. And then there's gonna be some new friends that, like I said, actually succeed at doing adult things.
And there's gonna be ramen noodles.
And more than just ramen noodles.
More than that.
More than ramen.
Gourmet ramen noodles.
We lead good lives if ramen is our number
That's our
one
biggest
problem.
worry.
It's not a problem, it's a success.
You're gonna overcome. Yep, like Miley Cyrus, it's the climb.
George wanted to give a sign off to Lunchy break. Do you want to give a sign off?
No.
Great. Have a great weekend. Bye.
Click to the left to see the best dressed at Coachella on Dirty Laundry, or click to the right to see our last day at Coachella on Lunchy Break.